Hi, I'm Gary Franz. This is After Effects, and let's see how to do outline in After Effects. So let's create new project. 90/20, 1080, 25 frames, dark background color, okay. And let's create the layer, new shape layer, and I'll choose the color, for example, dark blue. Okay, it will be nice. And I am importing PNG file. For example, such a butterfly. I'm dragging it onto timeline. It's nice, and let's do the outline for this nice butterfly. So it's on a timeline, and I'm doing right click on the layer with the butterfly and choosing in a list layer styles, and here I'm choosing stroke, for example. Let's click open the parameters here and see the color is chosen red. We can do it, for example, green. Okay, and let us increase its size like that, even more, and let us change opacity. No, let it be 100%, and it can be outside, inside, can be coming from center. Let it be outside. I'm not changing this, and that's it. And by the way, is the same way we can choose glow. Let me close this outline layer, do it invisible, and do it again. Find layer styles, and I want to choose outer glow. And let's see the parameters. For now, color is light. Let me do it red, for example, and let me increase size. Oh, I think it's nice. Spread. You can see what's good for you. No, we can choose technique softer or precise. A lot of stuff can be done. Let's do it maybe not pink, but I don't know, dark red. Maybe it will be even better. Let's see. Oh. Something like this. I think it's beautiful. Okay, that's it. Thank you, and see you soon. Bye.